In the central province of Sri Lanka, through the Kandy district, flows the Mahaveli River. On the eastern side of this river spreads the Hunnaskiri mountain range. And on the southern side is the Hantana mountain range. On the left side is located the beautiful Knuckles range, which spreads from the southern side to the eastern side of the country. The elevation in this mountain area ranges from about 2,000 feet to 5,000 feet above sea level. Sri Lanka is situated in the southern hemisphere below India, and there is no other land up to the South Pole. Because of this geographical location, we receive pure air and rain from the northeast monsoons and southwest monsoons, and also bright sunshine from the east. It is because of these natural gifts that all plantations grow very successfully. You also find natural rainforests in these areas which provide fresh and pure air. The normal temperature during the day is about 20 to 23 degrees Celsius and drops at night. Tea was introduced to Sri Lanka by Mr. James Taylor in 1865, and now it is one of the best productions in the world. The first tea plantation by Mr. Taylor was at Lul Kandura Estate, Hantana, which is situated on the opposite side of the Knuckles range. The local people of this mountainous area grew tea together with spices as a mixed crop. And supplied the excess tea to close by factories. The tea that they made and drank was very palatable and of high value due to the natural fertilizer which flowed down from the forests above. There are almost no chemicals used in this process, something like wild tea. They made their own tea using ordinary local equipment. The older methods of tea manufacture are now becoming famous with brands like homemade tea, wild tea, handmade tea, etc. Presentation by Rudy, script, camera and director Upali, editor Luckily. Thanks and hope to meet you soon with another product.